Get him rolling over though, because that is like a big thing.
My boy was rolling over when he was 2 months old.
He's not even 2 months.
He's negative. Aaron, it's supposed to do tummy time. You're a bad boy. How are you going to get big muscles?
Get the giraffe. Get the giraffe. Aaron, look, get the giraffe.
Aaron, do some push-ups. Oh, you found your hand? Oh. It's a mirror. He's sitting in the head.